Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. Are you tired of reducing AI plagiarism? So here is a best opportunity for you to convert your AI detection into a humanized version. So in this video we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool which is used to convert your AI content into an humanized content, and you can get rid of AI plagiarism. Let us go on to today's video. I am going to explore that AI tool step by step. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that AI Detector Pro. So here you can see this is AI Detector Pro. You can convert your AI content into a humanized content. So just click on that AI Detector Pro. As I was already an active member of AI Detector Pro, so I have logged in with my mail ID. So you can log in with your mail ID. So this is the dashboard of this AI Detector Pro. So in this, what we are going to do is we are going to convert AI content into an humanized content. For that, we are going to generate a AI content using any of the AI chatbot. So here today I am going to use ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT I am going to give an input prompt. Explain about the machine learning algorithms for MPPT in solar PV system. So this is the input I am going to give. So here AI, that is ChatGPT, will generate AI content. So here you can see that. So this is the content which is generated by ChatGPT. So after this, so what you have to do is copy this content, go to AI Detector Pro. So in this you will be seeing an option called report. Go to that option called report. So paste your content here and then click option called analyze. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can see our report is generated, that machine learning algorithms. So just click on that report, so you will get a better idea. That is 98% of the content. So here you can see this content was mostly likely to be written by AI. So our analysis suggests that there is a 98% of chance that content you have entered was written by an AI algorithm. So this is how this AI Detector Pro will detect AI content. So in order to cross check this, you can use any of the tools which is available in market. You can check with any free tools or Turnitin, whatever the tools you want, you can check. So go on to I am going to do a random check with GPT-0. So here I am going to copy and paste the content which is generated by ChatGPT. So check the origin. So it will take several seconds to generate. So here you can see that 100% probability that it is a AI generated content. So the AI Detector Pro also detects AI, that is AI detection, and also GPT-0 also do the same. So after that, go to AI Detector Pro. So here you will be having a magic tool called Open with AI Eraser. This AI Eraser will useful for us to convert this AI detected content into a humanized content. So just click on this Open with AI Eraser. So here you can see this is the dashboard of this Open AI Eraser. So here you can see that so this is AI detected, and you can see these are the eraser tools are available. So here you can see that more human, less human, suggest paragraph rewrite, humanize content. So these are the 4 eraser tool options are available in this AI Detector Pro. So you can use these tools: more human, less human, suggest paragraph write, or humanize document. So here what I am going to do is I am going to use this option called humanize document. Just to click on this humanize document. So the important thing is that you can, if it is done by paragraph, it will give best results, that is 250 words, it will give best results. Or else if you want to convert into a bulk document, so you can use this option called humanize content. So it will take several seconds to generate. So let us wait and see how this AI content is converted into a human content. Again we will check for plagiarism in both of the softwares. So and then we will conclude that how this AI, that is AI content, is converted to a human content, and how to get rid of AI detection using this AI Detector Pro. Here you can see that the rewrite is complete. You should click or rescan the scan for results. Okay. So this is the rewritten content which is generated by the AI Detector Pro. So here in this contest we have converted a whole document using this option called humanized document. You can do it for that is paragraph wise, you can do also, and then you can use this option more human, less human, like that. You can choose any of the option in this eraser tool. So we will copy this content. So copy the content. So this is the humanized content. So again go to the dashboard of this particular AI Detector Pro and then go to report, paste that humanized content and then click on analyze. So it will take several seconds to generate. So here you can see that your content, just click on that version. So this content was likely to be written by human. So our analysis suggests that 2% chance that the content you entered was written by an AI algorithm. So if you use that paragraph option, so it will be come to 0. So my suggestion is that you can use that paragraph option. It will convert that AI content into a humanized content in paragraph wise. So that will be a best option for you. Again we will do the same cross check with GPT-0. So go to GPT-0 again. So and then refresh again GPT-0. So copy the content here. So and then click check origin. So here you can see that that is only 1% is probability AI generated. So other than that, all the content was written, that is 99% of the content was written by human. So I can say this is one of the best tool which works out well, and it will give you a better solution to get rid of this AI detection in your research paper. So whenever your paper is subjected to AI plagiarism or AI detection, so you can go on to this AI Detector Pro and you can convert that AI content into a humanized content using that eraser option. So here in this eraser option, so again I am going to open with this AI eraser. So how you can do that suggest paragraph rewrite. So you can select that paragraph alone. So after selecting paragraph, suggest paragraph rewrite. So here you can see that that paragraph alone will be rewritten. So here you can see these are the alternatives for that paragraph. So here you can see that you can copy and paste the alternatives. So this is the alternative for that particular suggested paragraph we have selected. So like that you can select every paragraph. For example, this is the paragraph I am going to select again. So select that paragraph again and click on suggest paragraph rewrite. So it will generate the suggestion for that particular humanized suggestion for that particular paragraph. So like that you can get better suggestions using this paragraph rewrite. So here you can see that, so that artificial neural networks imagine how these things basically learn the tricky characteristics. So like that it will convert into a humanized content. So like that you can convert every paragraph, AI generated paragraph, into a humanized paragraph using this option. So you can use any option. You can convert the total document into a humanized content, or else you can use this paragraph options. So these are the important things available in this AI Detector Pro. So only thing is that you have to check it at once before that is using this humanized version of your content. So please make sure that you are checking it once for your research paper convenience. So you can check it once. So this is all about this AI Detector Pro. These are the plans and pricing options. So you will get 3 reports for free. So you can use that AI eraser option, and you can use all the research tools, developer tools, branded reports. So this and all comes under this paid subscription. So it is $13, that is 13.99 per month. You can generate 100 reports per month. So after that, if you want unlimited reports of that humanized content, so you can use this option. So you will get 50% offer code also. So here you can see that $24.99 per month. So this is the pricing and plans in AI Detector Pro. Go on and check with this free 3 reports. So you will get a better idea. As I have already subscribed this AI Detector Pro in order to convert that AI content into a humanized content. So if you are interested in, so you can go on and check this AI Detector Pro to make your research paper free from AI detection. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.